let's do some unboxing videos. So let's take a look what's inside here. Oh, we got all sorts of goodies in this box. Alright, first things first. We have a camera case. It's just a Case Logic camera case, super cheap, $8-9, whatever it is. But the reason I bought this one is because it has a belt holder on it, so I can loop it through my belt while we're on adventures and stuff like that, and I don't have to sit there and carry my camera everywhere. I can just slip it right in here. Good to go. Nice and easy. Another thing that we've really been wanting to do is get different angles while we're on the motorcycle. Instead of just having it mounted to my handlebars, people get kind of sick, including me, get kind of sick of just seeing the windshield in the view and seeing the same steady view. And when I'm on the adventures, I can look around and I can see over bridges and I can see waterfalls and so much more. So I wanted to capture that. So I got this GoPro helmet front and side mount. So this is going to come in handy. We'll definitely use that in some videos. Alright, so we got some glass screen Pro Premium tempered glass screen protectors. This is going to be used on the back for the touch screen of the brand new camera. I figured, you know, I spent somewhere around $700 on a brand new camera. I want to keep it in as best a condition as I possibly can. So, premium tempered glass, it is. Also, back to the GoPro mounts. I got the Nordic adhesive mounts. It's cheaper than the GoPro, same quality as the GoPro's, mounts, but it's cheaper. I think this package was like $7 on Amazon. A lot cheaper. You get 3 curved and you get 3 flat mounts. So we're really gonna try and hit some different views on our upcoming adventure this July. So we're really gonna test these out. The MagFilter. This is a polarized magnetic filter that we're going to put over the top of our camera lens. What this does is this really takes out the glare, and when we're getting some really cool shots, we can get just a little bit better and crisp color when we're taking some video, and it really helps. Kind of crisp things up, takes out the glare. In sunny conditions, it kind of helps level everything out. So I'm super excited to use this. It's about 25 or 30 bucks on Amazon. Not too bad. What else do we got in here? Alright, so I got this 3-way GoPro mount. Take it out of the package here so I can show you guys. So again, with the different angles of the GoPro mount, we wanted to get as many cool angles as possible. We didn't want to have the same angle for all of our stuff. It gets kind of boring. We want to see stuff. We want to do stuff. So I got this 3-angle GoPro mount here. I can mount the GoPro up here, and this slides into any standard little GoPro adhesive pad. So then I can twist this left and right, and I can twist it up and around and down. So I can use this on my helmet mount or on any bike mount or anywhere. And it just helps us get a little bit better of an angle. Alright, so let's keep digging into this here. Let's see what else we got. We got a chest mount harness for the GoPro. We're going to be doing some pretty cool stuff. And again, we wanted to get some different angles. Just something a little bit different. Keep things new. Change things up a little bit. We're going to be doing some whitewater rafting this summer on our big Colorado adventure, possibly. This would be really cool on the whitewater rafting. So let's open this up and take a look. I did not get the GoPro's chest harness. I got an off-brand. So let's take a look at this. So it actually feels pretty rigid, pretty standard actually, I'm kind of impressed, not gonna lie. So the chest harness actually turned out not too bad. I was a little leery because it was only $8.99 I believe on Amazon, so I was a little leery and didn't quite know. But you can slip your GoPro right into the pocket there. And they also included a really nice adapter. So we can slide this right in. In theory, we can slide this right in. If I do it the right way. There we go, that's better. Then you mount your GoPro on here and you can kind of tilt it up and down a little bit. So it doesn't allow you to move it side to side, but that's what we got the 3-way swivel for, so we can really get the best angle possible out of this. So I'm excited to use this chest harness. Alright, so I'm not really sure what this is exactly, so let's open this up. Alrighty. So what I did is, one thing that I learned very early on is you can never have enough batteries for cameras. No matter where you are, you always seem to run out of batteries. So the camera did come with 1 battery and a charging dock, but I also got 2 more batteries plus a dual battery charger. So I charge both these batteries at the same time, which is nice. Instead of charging one at a time, charging both. It's done a little bit quicker. So it is an off-brand. It is not the Canon specific brand, but they do fit, they do work, and it is meant for the Canon G7X. It is the OAproda, I believe is how you pronounce that one. I probably butchered it though. We'll put the batteries over here. And the last 2 boxes. So it says Ryno Tuff on it, and I honestly don't remember what this is. So let's take a look. Alright. So, when we rough it, and we do our camping trips, we like to charge all of our camera gear, and our Bluetooth headsets, and our cell phones, and our GPS, and everything else electronic, because we need those. So, when we rustic camp, and we do the free campsites, which is what we usually do, they don't have power. It's literally just a plot of land in the woods. You just set up your tents, and that's that. No power, no showers, no bathrooms, no nothing. And it's free, so you can't really complain. So what we ended up doing this time around, because we're doing another rustic camping trip this June into July, all through Colorado, and we're not going to have power. And we don't want to draw power off of our motorcycles, because that would kill our battery if we left stuff plugged in overnight to charge. So we bought 2 solar chargers. Let's open this up here. Let's take a look. So it's really thin, really lightweight, has 3 different panels for solar charging. And it's got 2 USB ports in here. Not a very good view, but you have 2. You have one here and one here. And you can charge 2 USB items off of that. So our idea in getting 2 of them was we could charge all the GoPro batteries and the Canon G7X batteries off of this one, and off of the other one we can charge both of our phones, and when those are charged we'll cycle in our Bluetooth headsets in there somewhere to get charged. But it is really nice that they included carabiners for us. So they do have loops on the sides here, so when we open it up we can hang a carabiner here and here. We can hang this up, whether it's on the side of our tent or off of a tree or whatever we need to. But it also includes 2 little loops here and right here. So we can hang it up this way as well. So we can get a little bit different angles. The best solar charging options, right? So I'm excited to use these, test them out, see how they work. But they are the Ryno Tuff solar chargers, and I've heard a lot about them. So we broke down, we bought them. They were, I think, $45 each, so it was actually pretty cheap. And if they last the summer, then great. I mean, we can charge all of our stuff on it during camp, and we don't have electricity. Well worth the $45 each. So, that's all I have for camera equipment and fun toys and such. So I'll just give you a quick overview of what all we got here. So we got our solar charger, obviously. Then we got our chest harness. We got our MagFilter. We got 3 of the flat mounts for the GoPro and 3 of the curved mounts for the GoPro. We got the tempered glass protector for the new camera, which is over there. We got extra batteries, which are over there. We got helmet mount for GoPro. We got a new swivel mount for our camera tripod, so we can just angle it left and right and forward and swivel it all around. We have our 3-way little adapter, and we got our camera case and our beautiful, wonderful tripod. So that's all we got for today. So stay tuned and let's test this stuff out this summer.